Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another Jhula I have for you. And if you talk about the designs part, the maximum number of swing designs, Jhula designs you will get anywhere is in Aarsun catalog. We have the highest number of designs. So many designs we have made and delivered across the globe. And the best part is at factory price in India and out of India. Solid teak wood. The entire thing that is visible to you is solid teak wood, nothing else. And the color you can see the natural gloss finish of teak wood. 6 inches thick pillar. This is 6 inches and it flows from top to bottom to make it till this part to make it a single pillar, and then we have the design here, one of the most liked designs and quite artistic design. If you see the pillar design, you can see the kind of art we do on wood, and this is the artisan work that we always love and always praise because such amazing talent they have. Converting pieces of wood to such beautiful things is the art that we are promoting across the globe. And people are loving it and giving us blessings, more orders, reference orders, just because the price is right and the quality is amazing. I'm saying this because there's thousands of customers across the globe whose home we have decorated with our furniture, and that involves who's and who's of the world. And this is the kind of art people love when they think about something really amazing. Plain furniture, regular furniture, simple furniture is mostly available everywhere. Carpenters are everywhere. But artisans who can convert wood to such beautiful pieces are limited. And they make such beautiful things that I'm showing you now. Left to right, 7 feet. Height is 7.5 feet. Solid wood pillar. The seat size is 5 feet outer. Front to back 27 inches. And a design all over. Even inside the handles part, here you can see the design, the outer design, the back design, the front part, and even on the leg part of the seat we have a design here. The peacock is sitting at the base of the pillar, and the overall carving design. In a Jhula, generally we have got two options. One that goes to the ceiling and one is with the stands. And if you talk about stands, the average size for a 2.5 seater is 5 feet inside, just like this one you can see. I'll move on the side and you can see how much space I'm getting here is enough space. 2.5 seater when we are making 5 seat outer. Making it a 3 seater would need another 1.5 feet. So the size goes bigger according to the unit design. And the top you can see the bar. We have a single bar here, and these are the two designs in Jhula as well. In stand Jhula, either we have a roof kind of structure on the top or we have a bar like this, and this is a solid wood bar. If you remember, in old houses and even outside India still, the houses have beams, these wooden beams on which the entire structure works. And similarly, this is a wooden beam and this is quite solid. 300 kgs, 350 kgs, 400 kgs, no issues. The chain is solid brass. It's in gold finish, and we have got other options for chain as well. Even the top ring you see, we have got bearing hook. So it's smooth movement. There is no sound, no noise at all. Quite smooth movement. As you can see here, there is no voice, no sound. I'll bring the mic closer. Still, you can hear no noise. Now, this is what we are doing, and the core remains the choice part. Choice means your choice, not ours. What you like, size, design, colors, fabrics. If you like some other fabric, you want a darker color, plain color, you want some jacquard, you want some velvet, holland. There's so many options. Just let us know the color you want, the pattern you want, and we'll give you the options. And this is what we do in the colors as well. This is natural polish color. If you want light walnut, dark walnut, these are other polish colors, cherry mahogany also. But if you want in paints like Duco paints, paint white, off-white, champagne, rush gold, antique gold, silver, rose gold, then the gold leafing, that is considered the top thing in this furniture industry, in the carving furniture especially. Most of the furniture that you see in Middle East and at the palaces has got gold leafing. So what you want, let us know and we make it accordingly. And the quality remains Aarsun quality, the brand of Aarsun that is registered in 35 countries, and we are delivering to more than 55 countries now. What really Aarsun is proud of is that this art, this carving thing and carving furniture 10 years back was very less in demand. Mostly, if you have seen the market, if you remember or go back a little, you will find that most furniture was plain, fully covered, and simple designs, and mostly was coming from China. But in last 10 years, we have worked so much, so hard, and we have been posting videos, giving detailed explanation of everything about the sizes, about the wood, the types of wood, how the chain works, how the whole process works. And this information has reached places, in fact, across the globe. And people are loving our furniture once again. And so much work is back in the city. So many people are getting work. So many people are back in the business who really lost this and who really moved to something else. I know several artisans personally who have moved to different places. They were doing labor work in some factories, though they were very good artisans. Now they are back in business. They are working themselves. Their further generations are learning the art. Their kids are working along with them, and they're learning, and the process is evolving. They are doing better, and they're so happy being back in their family, in their hometown. And this is what Arson have done in last 10 years. Not only generation of work, but we have brought people back who were in Kerala, who were in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, Odisha, Hyderabad. They are back here and they are working in their home with their people, with their family, and generating good money. Not just money, good money. And this is the best part about our work, because making one unit involves so many people, the carpenters, the woodcutters, then the artisans who do all the carving work, the people who make the drawing, then the polish guys and the carpenters who fit the entire unit, and the packing guys and the transport people. Before that, the sales people who are involved and getting orders, and then people like us. So many people are involved in one order, and that is the best part about handicrafts furniture, handcrafted furniture, because you're not only getting a furniture piece, you're giving work to so many people. So it's not just something we should be happy about, it's also about you, because you are giving work to so many people in India, generating money for the economy. And it's our promise to give you the top quality units, top quality right at your home, with choices in everything. Even the chain has got options that you can check on our website, and the colors, sizes, designs, fabric, as I mentioned. Overall, if I summarize, the basic remains three things. First is the customized furniture, what you like, what you want. Second thing is the quality part, because we are making in solid teak wood, and teak wood is durable for decades, not years, decades. In local language, we call it Dada Lai Pota Barte. That means the grandfather has brought something and the grandson still uses that. So that is the kind of furniture we are making that lasts for decades. And apart from that, the factory price, as I mentioned, making it here, delivering to your place directly. There's no commission agent, no trader in the middle. So always the best quality at best price, and world over delivery. And this part also includes safe delivery. Safe delivery is important because this structure, as you can see, is a big structure, and sending this requires a lot of expertise, how to pack it properly, how to send it to your place, that it doesn't get damaged. And other part, important part, is the installation part. If you make it too difficult to install, you will need technical help, and outside India mostly people are not available that technical. They will see the unit and say, I don't know how to do it. And this installation is so simple. I'll just show you here what it has. It has got one pillar, two pillar, three pillar, and the seat. These are four parts all together for this unit. All we need to do is place this pillar, place this bar in the slot here. There is a slot here, there is a slot here. One bolt, two bolt. Tighten these two bolts, installation is done. That is it. Just hang the seat and it's done. So simple installation. The chain, I'll show you the chain also. This is the chain link, and this is the S hook on top. S hook goes on the slot, and the chain, two pieces, perpendicular 90-degree, insert it, turn it. Very simple. Insert it and turn it, and this is the installation. So you can make the whole length of chain as you require. So this is how we work, this is what we work on, and we provide you the top quality designs, top quality of brass chains as well. All the chains are installed in a similar pattern. So just to summarize again once more: teak wood, solid teak wood that lasts for decades, your choice, what you want, factory price, safe delivery, and the international brand of Aarsun that gives work to so many people with your blessings. And that is really important for us. Please check the number. Please contact us for any of your queries. Thank you. Dhanyavad.